Lamborghini Temerario, the bold successor to the Huracan, unveiled with a V8 twin-turbo hybrid. After a long-awaited reveal, Lamborghini has officially introduced the Temerario, the latest addition to its all-new hybrid lineup. This electrifying supercar is set to replace the iconic Huracan, marking a significant shift in Lamborghini's approach to performance. Gone is the naturally aspirated V10 engine, now replaced by a cutting-edge V8 twin-turbo hybrid powertrain, ushering in a new era of high-performance electrified vehicles. As the second model in Lamborghini's high-performance electrified vehicle HPEV lineup following the Revuelto, the Temerario's name, which translates to daring in Italian, is a fitting descriptor for this bold new vehicle. At its launch, the Temerario is available in two versions, the standard model and the Alleggerita, with stunning new color options, including blue Marinus and Verde Mercurius. A fusion of design and performance. The Lamborghini Temerario strikes a perfect balance between the aggressive design language of the Revuelto and the compact dimensions of the Huracan. Measuring 4,206 mm in length, 1,996 mm in width, and 1,201 mm in height, the Temerario is noticeably larger than its predecessor, with a new aluminum alloy space frame chassis that optimizes interior space. The car's wheelbase has also been extended to 2,658 mm, providing a more stable and comfortable ride. One of the most distinctive features of the Temerario is its hexagonal LED daytime running lights, which are now separated from the main headlights, a design cue that Lamborghini has integrated throughout the vehicle. The car sits on 20-inch front and 21-inch rear wheels, equipped with carbon ceramic brakes plus, measuring 410 mm at the front and 390 mm at the rear. In a nod to the Revuelto, the engine bay of the Temerario is no longer concealed by glass or composite materials, but is boldly displayed, showcasing the power beneath. The side profile of the car features sharp, angular lines and hexagonal air intakes, reminiscent of the Lamborghini Aventador. Aerodynamic enhancements, including additional air vents, optimize airflow and performance. The dual exhausts of the Huracan have been replaced with a single hexagonal exhaust system positioned high, similar to that of the V12 hybrid supercar. The rear of the Temerario is equally striking, with streamlined LED taillights featuring Lamborghini's signature Ypsilon light pattern within a hexagonal design. Interior, a pilot's dream. Inside, the Lamborghini Temerario continues the feel-like-a-pilot design philosophy seen in the Revuelto and Urus SE. The cockpit features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, an 8.4-inch central touchscreen, and a 9.1-inch passenger display. Thanks to the new chassis, the car's headroom has increased by 34 mm, legroom by 46 mm, and visibility by 4.8 degrees, ensuring that even drivers up to 200 cm tall can comfortably fit, helmet included. Standard equipment includes electrically adjustable sports seats, with the option to upgrade to carbon fiber racing seats that enhance driver and passenger posture during high-speed driving. For those seeking a lighter, more performance-focused experience, Lamborghini offers the Alleggerita package, which includes aerodynamic carbon fiber exterior elements, reducing the car's weight by approximately 25 kg. A powerhouse. Under the hood, the most significant change in the Lamborghini Temerario lies under the hood. The new 4.0-liter V8 twin-turbo engine produces an impressive 800 horsepower and 730 Nm of torque. This powerhouse is paired with 3 electric motors, each generating 100 kW. The two front motors deliver a combined output of 220 km and 2,150 Nm of torque, while the third motor, integrated into the V8 twin-turbo setup, adds an additional 300 Nm of continuous torque. The Temerario is also equipped with a 3.8 kWh lithium-ion battery, 13 driving modes, all-wheel drive, and an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. With a dry weight of 1,690 kilos, the Temerario accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.7 seconds, reaching a top speed of 343 km/h. Lamborghini plans to showcase the Temerario at Monterey Car Week 2024, with deliveries expected to begin in early 2025. While the price of this hybrid supercar has yet to be announced, the Lamborghini Temerario is poised to set new standards in performance and luxury.